All right, welcome back to Math is Easy, Step by Step. We are answering, this is the part 3 video. We're answering that simplify the expression question, and we're talking about distribution property, more specific, FOIL. First, outer, inner, last. And so, first term, 3x times 2x. I'm writing that here, 3x times 2x. And so I show my invisible ones. I've got two x values, and the rule is when you multiply, the base is the same, you keep the same base x. However, when you have exponents, you add the exponents, right? Invisible 1, that's x to the first power, times x to the first power. 1 plus 1 is 2, so you get x squared. If that's not familiar, please check out my videos on exponential rules. I go over all of the rules, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, all the rules. Check it out. And so 3 times 2, oh, sorry about that. Oh my gosh. There we go. That'll clarify a little bit. 3 times 2 is 6. Also, my video on invisible ones will explain this if it's still kind of confusing. Check out my video on invisible ones. So first FOIL, I get a value of 6x squared. I'm going to take all these F-O-I-L values and place them together, separated by a plus sign. All right, so I'm going to take this step by step. I'm going to go a little bit slow here. Oh, those are your outer terms. Negative 1 times positive 4, right? Negative 1 times a positive 4 is that negative 4. And this was that test taking strategy where only A and C had that negative 4 value. And so you were able to eliminate two options in your answer. Inner term, right? The inner term is going to be negative 1 times that 2x. So negative 1 times the 2x, right? So negative 1 times 2 is a negative 2. X stays attached to that 2, so we have a negative 2 simplified value there for this term. Now you can write this negative 1 times 2x, or you can put 2x times negative 1. Either way, whichever way you do that is totally acceptable. And finally, that last term, 3x times a negative 4. Let me show that to you here. The last terms is 3x times, a positive 4. So 3x times a positive 4. And I'm showing you here that L, last term is 3x times that positive 4. 3 times 4 is 12. That x stays attached through multiplication. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all of my like terms together, separated by a plus sign. So this is the only x squared value, and this is the only consonant value, just a normal number without a variable. And we have two x values, a negative 2x to the invisible 1 and a 12x to the invisible 1 power. Now you can only add or subtract like terms. Again, watch my video on like terms or non-like terms. That'll help clarify what we're doing here. So I'm just going to put all these guys here in order. Again, separated with a plus sign in algebraic order. Okay, algebraic order. I also have a video explaining what algebraic order is, and you absolutely can check out my video on algebraic order. It will help you to clarify what it is you need to do. So we have 6x squared, again, is a loner. It's all by itself. That negative 4 is a loner, all by itself. Each of these terms is separated with a plus sign. I'm adding this plus sign in here. It's okay. You can do that, right? It's not going to change a single thing. It's only going to clarify. All right? So again, 6x squared plus a negative 2x plus 12x plus a negative 4. Now I'm going to combine. I simplify by adding up the like terms. Like terms is the same variable, that's the letter, to the same exponential power. Here's the invisible 1. X and x to the invisible 1 exponential power. And, of course, consonants, negative 4, 2, 5, 12, those are like terms as well. And so if I take 12, I subtract 2, what do I get? I get 10x. Now each of these terms is a non-like term. I place them in algebraic order. That means alphabetical order and exponential order. So x squared, exponential order, there's a power of 2, comes before the power of the invisible 1, and then the constant number here. So my answer for this particular problem is C. Answer C. So if I went too fast, please stop, pause, rewind the video. You can watch them again if you like. And so here are some of the internet search. Oh, that wasn't as smooth as I wanted to make that. I apologize for that. Go ahead, if you want to practice your skills, conduct an internet search for worksheets with answers on distribution of terms or distribution property, algebraic order of terms using algebraic expressions, simplify using FOIL, combine like terms, and understanding. I'm having a tough time here today. Woo! Understanding binomials. Okay, so if you're that this is new to you and you need to practice these skills, this is where you conduct an internet search with answers. If you make a mistake, look back at your step-by-step interaction, find your mistake, keep practicing, and don't make that mistake again. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy, step by step. Please like, follow, share these videos, subscribe. Stick around. I'm going to be doing some more geometric problems if you need assistance with those type of GED or HiSET exam test questions. Math is easy. Take it step by step.